Guys, welcome to a new vlog. So it's nighttime, it's 11 p.m. and I'm about to go to bed. And my sister, she's sleeping right now. She's actually tired because she went to school and we we were like playing games together and she fell asleep like around 7, I think. Yeah, and tomorrow she needs to wake up early, and I need to like take her to school. So yeah, I'm also gonna sleep as soon as I upload this vlog. So yeah, guys, while she's sleeping, I'll go to the kitchen and have something to eat because I don't know, I feel a little bit hungry because I haven't eaten my dinner. So yeah. And also my mom, she will come back tomorrow, so I think around 4 p.m, around lunchtime maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I'll meet this Y-way and make some drinks. Guys, so I've dropped off some onions and I'm making a drink as well. Oh shit. Okay. I don't know why I always get hungry at night. Okay. Little bit of oil. And a spoon. Okay, the milk is done. I'll get some what's it called? Sauce. No, chili powder. One spoon chili powder. Mix. This is kind of like an Indian style. I think most of the Indians, I think they eat this stuff. And also it actually tastes really good. This one's done. Right. Two. 3 teaspoons of Horlicks. This one. And then mix it properly. Right, Horlicks is done and Horlicks is done. Now I'll turn off the gas. Guys, so this is my late night snacks, and yeah, I'm gonna have it right now. Let's see how it is. Maybe I'll keep it in here. This is the Horlicks. I was gonna eat this while watching movie, but I'm making the vlogs because I need to upload one vlog every day, so yeah, that's why I'm eating while filming as well. Alright guys, I'm done eating the Huawei. Now I'll just drink this Horlicks. Alright guys, so I'm finally done eating the food. I mean Huawei and the Horlicks, and yeah, I'm going to bed now. So if you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next vlog.